well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Naseem, your science teacher from Behriya Foundation College, Nowshera Road. Students, today our topic is cell, tissue and organs. In my previous topics, I have told you about the cell. I have told you cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Students, in my previous lecture, I have also told you that there are special cells for special jobs. For example, our heart cells are cardiac cells, our sensory systems have nerve cells. All our systems have special cells for special function. Cells, when combined, they make a tissue. When two or more cells, when they combine, they make a tissue. What they make? A tissue. For example, epithelial tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue. There are different kinds of tissue. Our blood is also a tissue. The tissues, when combined together, we make an organ. For example, blood is a tissue. Our heart has the cardiac tissues. Okay. Different tissues, when they combine, they make an organ. For example, our body have different organs like heart, stomach, etc. There are many organs in our body. These organs, when combined, the organ system. For example, take the example of heart. Only heart can't do anything in our circulatory system. Heart needs many other parts. For example, heart needs blood, capillaries, arteries or veins. These capillaries, arteries are veins. These are the tubes which carry blood to different parts of the body. They all organs made a system. This system is called the blood circulatory system. Okay, blood circulatory system is made by the combination of many organs. These systems, organ systems, when they combine, they make an organism. For example, an organism has many systems in itself: blood circulation, digestion, excretion, reproduction. They are all the systems present in a living organism. Living organism cannot survive without any one of them. For example, if a person have all the system, it does not have respiratory system, a person will not survive. If all systems are present but the digestive system is absent, it will not survive. All systems are necessary for the person. So, cell is the basic unit. Cells combine to make a tissue. Tissues combine to make an organ. Organs combine to organ system. And organ systems combine to make an organism. You have to remember all this chain. Now look the same topic from your book. Students, open your book, page number 22. Look at this. Here is your book, page number 22. Topic is mentioned in the book: cells, tissue and the organs. A group of similar cells doing the same job is called the tissue. Here you have the definition of tissue. A group of similar cells doing the same job is called tissue. Muscle tissue is made for movement. Different tissues, when they combine to make an organ. For example, look at this. This is a nerve tissue. Here is the blood tissue. Here is the muscle tissue. They all tissues combine to make one organ. This organ is stomach. Stomach is an organ. Here muscle is a tissue, blood is a tissue and nerve is a tissue. 1, 2, 3. All three tissues combine to make a organ. This organ is the stomach. Understand? Students, organs work together to form organ system. Organ system carry out much larger job than a single organ is able to do. For example, take the example of the digestive system, which is made up of various organs such as the stomach, liver, intestine. Other examples of organ systems are circulatory system, which carries blood around the body, nervous system, which control the body. The organ systems, when combined together, they make the organism. Organism is something that is able to survive on its own. organism can survive if it has all the system present in itself. Okay. Dear students, now look at the next page. Organ system. Here you have shown the system. Can you tell me which system is this? In which lungs are present, in which your nose, nostrils are present. This is the respiratory system और a breathing system. हमारे सांस लेने का जो अमल है ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम या रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम क्या करता है? ये एक्सचेंज द ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Which gas we take in when we breathe? We take in oxygen gas. And which gas we excrete? Carbon dioxide gas which excrete. Now look at this system. In this system, here is starting from mouth, stomach, intestine, liver. Liver, stomach, intestine, starting from mouth. Which system it may be? It is our digestive system. Which system it is? It is digestive system which break down food into smaller molecules and absorb them into the blood. You understand? Then let's come to the next system. This system starting from the brain. This is the brain. This is spinal cord and many veins coming out from brain and reaching to all parts of the body. These veins are the nerves. Which system it can be? Can you guess it? Obviously it is nervous system in which brain is involved. Brain and nerves are involved. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. These three things together make our nervous system. Okay. Here look at this picture. This is the kidney, bladder. Which system it can be? Kidneys make our excretory system, which get rid of poisonous substances from the blood and control water level in the body. Look this picture. Here in this picture, can you see the heart? This one. Can you see the heart here? In the center heart. Veins are coming out from heart and reaching to all parts of the body. So, it can be circulatory system which circulate our blood all over the body. You understand my topic? Okay, then now your homework is you have to solve the exercise giving on your book page number 22. Question number 1. What is a tissue? I have told you the definition of tissue. A group of similar cells is called tissue. Name 3 types of tissue. You have to write the name of the tissue. Name an organ found in human. There are many organs in our body like heart, stomach, lungs, liver, kidney, intestine. You have to name any one organ. Okay. List 3 tissues which make up this organ. You have to list the 3 tissues which make this organ. What is an organ system and give an example. In my lecture, I have shown you many organ systems. I have shown you breathing system, excretory system, nervous system. You have to define the organ system. What is the organ system? And you have to give one example. You got my point? I hope you understand it very well. Okay. Waiting for your homework. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.